It's about RWT time, so when they run it today. They didn't run it yesterday because there was flooding and shit like that happening. So, potentially RWT time on a Thursday. Welcome to the cold spot. I'm not the local bar. Oof.
33. 4. Wheeling, 32. Lewisburg, 24. Lewisburg, 24. The following are the high temperatures yesterday.
I don't know what that was. Someone saying they're gonna miss something.
In Charleston, West Virginia, with the seating signal was attested to the station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather, receivers automatically join the signal and receivers perform the signal and warning weather service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is the threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver.
Oh, it's the recon.
To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watch and play warnings for the following counties: Lincoln, Mason, Nicholas, Hilton, Raleigh, Lewis, Nicholas, Upshur, Ohio counties of to report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free. To report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling tonight. To report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling.
Well, RWT was a success on the stations. Now let's go for the Sage.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Charleston, West Virginia.
Plus, the nice thing of having the type recorder is not only does it record, but better speaker.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal and warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is the threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day.
Like today.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties reached by this weather radio station: Boone, Cabell, Clay, Fayette, Jackson, Connaught, Lincoln, Mason, Nicholas, Putnam, Raleigh, Boone.
Great success.
When the information can be found possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Richwood, Autumn, reliable.
Connect it to the end deck. Shouldn't be anything today. We got the windstorm coming tomorrow. So, actually, I might get some high wind watches later. Khalifa, where are you, boy? What's up, boy? What's up? What you doing? What you doing? Yeah, look at the camera. What you doing? What you doing, my old boy? Move over. That's where I sit. Move. Who's that good boy? Who's that good boy? Who's that good boy? Excuse me.